Slip not so much. But anyways, let's switch it up. Scooby-Doo versus Courage the Cowardly Dog. What the fuck? Death battle. Let's peep it out.
Season it. My oven for him. One of the
Okay.
Bad. Oh God! When I say it like that, it sounds.
How is this gonna work?
Muriel?
Love this fucker.
Maggie? Maggie?
Dude, sometime in the future, I'm getting Courage tattooed on me. Love that fucker.
Courage, road rhythm. Me? What do I do? What do I do?
No way. Wait.
What do I do?
Damn! Not Scooby. Okay, dude.
Rapper's got it! Come on!
Oh. Dude, all I gotta say, I hope Courage wins, dude. But knowing Death Battle, that's not gonna happen.
Oh, there's one more thing.
Yeah, big boy.
Not gonna lie.
Oh, there's one more thing.
Would.
Yeah, big boy.
How to defeat
Anyways.
Great Dane with a speech impediment, eh? You twit.
My eyes! It burns!
Oh. Ah, okay. Okay, dude. I said it.
dog.
Let's move past it. Damn.
Dogs love their bones, don't they?
This could be bad. My name isn't Chad James. And it's not.
What? Since when, dude, since when could Scooby do that? What the fuck?
Stupid dogs!
Hey.
You made me look bad! What's her? Ow! 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 Cut it out!
Well, Muriel, I hate that stupid dog!
KO!
Wait, what? Who won?
Wiz, as happy as I am to avoid on-screen dog murder, Wasn't one of them supposed to die?
Not since the Great Norris Sancho Singularity event of 2015.
No way is it a duel.
We
Okay.
had a result like this. It can't end like this, right?
Even with Courage's insane cosmic feats, you'd think the Zabriskie Triangle would be enough to seal the deal. But both pooches could regenerate from basically any kind of physical damage.
Both were incredibly smart in
Oh
different ways.
my god, that
Scooby
fucking cartoon OP shit.
was more of a trickster with his dupes, while Courage was a scheming genius. Computer could have given Courage the edge if not for their canon crossover, where it failed to have solid information on Scooby and the gang.
So I guess it came down to their unique abilities. And for 90% of their arsenals, they were evenly matched. Transmutation, mind control, you get it. They're tunes with basically anything, except for the Chest of Demons and the Dark Matter Meteor.
Sure, the chest could theoretically always trap Courage, but he'd always be able to escape and destroy it with the Dark Matter Meteor.
But Scooby could repair the damage
Dude, leave it to Carl to bring all this back to One Piece.
by reversing
Okay,
time
dude.
and then trap him again.
And then Courage would break out again. You know where this is going.
Now we haven't started
Ultimately,
music.
This battle between man's best friends would never end.
But this is a death battle. Somebody has to die.
Someone did, Wiz. Someone did.
Everybody tell you that you're kind of scary sometimes?
I don't like dog killers.
Scooby and
Okay,
Courage were
alright.
incredibly tough opponents that could go blow for blow for blow. They were smart, powerful, and incredibly broken.
Doggone it, Wiz. I guess you could say Eustace had one hell of a rough day.
All right. All I know is that Courage won.